everybody, I'm Diana Blass here at Platform 2024, Scale Computing's Partner and Customer Summit. The company has seen huge demand for its technology as organizations look to simplify system management and further grow their business. Earlier, I spoke with Shane Rogers of Harrison Steel Castings about how Scale Computing is helping him to achieve those results. Well, Shane, thanks so much for your time today. Tell me a bit about Harrison Steel Castings and your role there.
So Harrison Steel Castings, we've been around since 1906. We are a steel manufacturer. We make highly engineered parts for the mining industry, for oil and gas, for forestry. Fairly large facility, about 800,000 square feet under roof. So one campus, large campus. We make parts for, like I said, the mining industry, but our parts are huge. I mean, can be huge. We're from 400 pounds up to 20-some thousand. I'm the IT director there. I've been there for 27 years, so I've kind of built the network from the ground up. We had nothing when I started, and now we have quite a bit of equipment. You know, obviously, as technology changes, we've had to change with it, so.
Interesting. Well, I'd love to learn more about how Scale Computing has now played a part in that journey. You know, talk about the challenges you're facing and how you're now working with Scale to migrate your infrastructure to the platform.
We had a lot of individual servers across the board. We decided we needed to virtualize, as everyone does, as you come into this new market and place and time. So we used other offers, VMware, Hyper-V. They cause a lot of management time. I mean, you're constantly working on those. So we met Scale. Scale was introduced themselves to me. They're in our home state, so they're headquartered. Found out that they're simple work. It's easy. You can just do what you need to do, and you don't have to. All that management time goes away, and you don't have to worry about that like you did with the Hyper-V or the, VMware options.
And what outcomes have you seen since you've partnered with Scale?
Well, we've extremely lowered our overhead for IT resources, so I don't have to worry about those machines anymore. The ability to upgrade all the time is amazing. I mean, so there's on rolling updates. I don't have to take systems down. So we've had a lot of success in keeping our things up and running better.
And let's talk about the overall process of moving onto this Scale Computing platform, from the sales process to the migration to now being fully operational on the platform itself.
Sales process, super easy. I mean, they'll come in, they'll let you run a proof of concept to make sure everything's working the way you want it to work. And then you walk through, determine your right size of all your equipment you need. It's almost plug and play. You throw it in the rack, it's ready to roll. The migration side of it takes some time, it takes work. At least in the world I came from with VMware and Hyper-V, it was an extremely long time consuming process to migrate from a box to a hyper environment. Scale is not that way. The migration is quite easy. You move over, you're ready to roll, and I mean, you could do it overnight and not even know it's work doing it. So I mean, you just set it up, go sleep, get up the next morning, it's done.
Wow.
So, yeah.
Now, Scale Computing support, how has that benefited you in this whole journey?
The support process is amazing. I mean, you call them, they're on the ball right away. They have been amazing on solving them, being on top of it, ready to roll. You know, you make a phone call, they get on there, they'll log in remotely, take a look at what's wrong. If you have to have a hardware replacement, it's sent out the next day. Always having good support from them.
That's great. Well, thank you so much for your time today. And for more coverage here on Harrison Steel use cases, be sure to check out the link on our screen and stay tuned on CRNtv for more coverage from Platform 2024.